Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, my name is Lavina and I'm a fashion and beauty blogger and you're watching me on Femina. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different hairstyles that require minimum heat tools and styling techniques. These are very easy, simple to recreate and hassle-free. So without further ado, let's get into it. Pull top half of your hair back. Secure with a band. Braid the ponytail neatly. Twist into a bun and secure it with pins. From date night to girls' night, look chic with these fuss-free hairdo. Part hair down the center. Pull back into a neat ponytail. Flyaways, smoothen them with an anti-frizz serum. And smoothen your hair. Spritz some hairspray to keep hair in place, and here you are, work mode on. Fix a hairband as shown. Twist locks around the hairband. You're all set for brunch, ladies. Wash hair before sleeping. Apply a serum or a cream to smoothen tangles. Part hair into 4 sections and pull into pigtails. Gently loosen braids. Twist braids into one and secure with a band. Well, time to catch some sleep. Untie braids in the morning. Voila! Naturally curly locks. Shape curls with tongs if need be. Hold for 3 seconds for a long-lasting curl. Thanks for tuning in. I hope these styling techniques will help you experiment without causing damage to your hair. If you recreate any of these looks, make sure you tag Femina India and tag me in it also. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina India. Toodles!